Now, so we completed the spin button. So we'll see like, what is a scroll bar. Scroll bar or spin button, both are same. Only one difference I'll show you. Okay. Now I'll take the same thing, same shape. So scroll bar. Okay. So these things I'll delete. Now, I need to use the scroll bar. Scroll bar again. Same thing. Okay. So what I need to do, same kind of data I need to get here. Same kind of data for the dashboard. I need to get the same data here. I use scroll bar, not spin button. Okay. So how the scroll bar is? So I need to go to developer tab, insert. So scroll bar here. Can see the name also. Okay. So here, click. This can be horizontal or vertical. When you drag it down, like vertical. When you drag it right side, horizontal, like this. Okay. This can be placed here, whatever the way you want, you can place it. Okay. So this is not visible, so I color it. Normally I do this because we don't have control to change any color of this one. So that's the main thing. So what I do here, I place like this. Okay. Color it and place so that place like this. Okay. So one more scroll bar I can give here, go to this thing, insert scroll bar. When you drag right side, you can see the scroll bar like this. Okay. So however you want, based on the data structure, you can do it. Okay. No hard and fast rule, we present only this. See, this can be place it here also. So it's up to you how you want to place it. Same. Okay. This also you can place it up. Okay. So up to you horizontal, vertical, you can keep this. Now, so control what we need to do here. So again, right click, form controls. See here, it's same thing. Control when you go here. So current value, don't worry. So based on the selection automatically. So minimum value is 1 again. Okay, I cannot show 0. So maximum value, the calculations remain same. My data is 50 rows. I want 41 number. Okay. Then 10 rows means 50, it will come automatically. So this in the spin button, this is the grayed out. Here we have 10. Okay. This is the only difference for the spin button on scroll bar. Why this is, I'll tell you. Now, cell selection, link, whatever the below this you can put, but a timing I put here. Okay. Now, then give OK. Now when you see here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it will come like a spin button will be. Only one control here. Then from here, we need to give control +1. Okay. Again, I'm repeating this is exactly like a spin button only. No change at all. The difference only this difference here only one and you can give the spin button. But we have a place here. When inside, when you click here, 10 will change automatically. See here, 10, 10, 10. But this option will not have spin button. That is the reason when you do the form controls, here this page change will come. This page change is the difference for the spin button and this. Suppose spin button only one incremental, but I don't want one incremental, 10 incremental, 20 incremental I can have here. See, inside when you click 10 incremental, you can get here fast way. Also, you can scroll is there. See here, this one only you can like how Excel we do here. No, the same way here like we fast we can scroll it. This option we don't have here in the spin button. That's all. Otherwise, both are same. But know the difference. Okay. Otherwise, rest is the same. You can do it. Can you do it now? Means afterwards. So what you do here? Index. So go to this data. Go here. Select the entire thing. Okay. So fix it. So row number 1, column number 1. First, you need to do this. Then you need to make the dynamic. Okay. Straight away you can do it, but this is the best way you can will not miss again. Okay. So this fixing, then this columns formula, same way how you do the spin button, same way you can do it. Then this you fix it. You need to fix it. Now it's to do. Now, suppose month I need to fix Jan to March quarter wise. So what I need to do here, I'll do this for this. Okay. So minimum value is 1. Okay. So maximum value 12 minus 3 9. Okay. So percentage incremental 3. One click, one quarter will change, right? Then page change also 3. Okay. Then cell link, I'll go here somewhere. Okay. Then okay. Now see here. See 1, 2, 3 it will come. So what here, what I need to do here, this column number. So I need to change like this. Okay. So column let it be. So what we can do. So plus minus 1 plus this. Okay. So see, so 3 months, then 3 months data, it will come. Okay. Suppose like last, this also we need to change. Okay. So what we need to do here, this also should change. Okay. In that case, what we need to do here, I need to give the formula from here. Okay. So index, because month also should change. So here this plus 1 plus 1. So January is there. So in this case, this will correct. Okay. Now here this this alone, but so what we need to do here, scroll only to this. Okay. I need to put only for this, not the entire data, only this. Okay, fix it. So only one. This is so here row will not change, column will change. Dynamic what we can do here. Plus 1, sorry, minus 1, minus 1 plus this. This understand the logic? I didn't fix it. Okay. This I need to fix it. October, November, September, October, November. See here, January, quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. That's all. Okay. Now, this also we need to change here. Yes, this also work now. Now see this first quarter, second quarter, this, third quarter, this, fourth quarter, this. No, this see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Why this is August, September, October, November. So just a minute, just a minute. Hello, sorry. So why this is March, okay? April, May, June, July, August, September. Why September is taking 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 should be there. Why this is? Maybe controls. When you go here, incremental change. Then I think no. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, it's correct. So control this thing. Now see here, everything is dynamic. Suppose like we need to accommodate only 3 months. So we need to go in this. Suppose first quarter details. See here, only first quarter details is come here. Okay. So we can go 1, 2, 3 here. All the data product. Now go to the second quarter. So click on the second quarter, third quarter details, fourth quarter details. So full, quarter wise, you can place here. So we need to you can hide accordingly the data. So here no numbers visible. So data can be placed here accordingly. See, January. So January prepared like this. Product one. See, this is 10 products first quarter, 10 products second quarter, 10 third quarter, fourth quarter. See, up to you how use the logic. So you can like use whatever you want, the way you want. Okay, so beautifully you can do it, but up to you how you use it. Okay, so very important. Okay, any questions? Interesting. You can play around.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
beautifully you can make the one nice color you can put. After that you can see this hide it the number where always like place the numbers next to this and hide it like this. Okay, so it is the way you can use. Okay, so the thickness, all that, like up to you how you can do it. Okay, clear this?
Yes, sir. Can we give borders to it, sir? At least, I mean,
Sorry?
color coding is not possible, but
Sorry,
can we
color?
give
No,
borders?
no color coding, nothing. We have to use as it is. Nothing can be done in
No,
this.
can we give borders to it, sir?
Sorry?
Borders.
No, nothing. See here, only thing controls whatever you have, that's all. You cannot give anything. Okay. These are only things. There is like no size, or like we can drag and drop. Okay. No required. Okay. Then you can secure
Okay.
protection, like properties. So don't move this thing. You can do it. How shapes we do now? Based on the move of the columns or rows, I should not move. That's all. This is a control. So otherwise, like we cannot do anything. Only thing is background will change. So that's all. So that you can get highlight this. Okay.
Okay.
We cannot do anything. That's all. Okay. To show the more beautiful, you can see the highlight to the background of the thing. That's all. That's like I put the color here so that I can see the controls properly. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay. Good to go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll go to this is the list box. Okay. So what is the list box? We'll see this. In list box, like it's same combo box. So same like a combo box, but I'll show the difference. Okay. Now go here, insert. It's very easy now. You can understand easily. Okay, this is list box. Okay, so I can show the combo box also, so that you can understand better. So combo box, sorry. Combo box and list box. See, the combo box will push the list into this. Whatever the list we can share. The same list here also, but all the list will be can be seen in the single view. Here based on the selection. Okay. Now, so suppose I say like months. Okay. So this month I need to push into this thing. Okay. first let me do this. You can see the difference. So go to the control, so input range. So here like cell link. So I put here, okay. See, we can see the months here. Then we can see the same thing here. So input is here. However, the option the same, but link also same here, suppose. Okay. Now here in the list box, you can see the interlist in the screen itself. Okay. So, but here you cannot see here. See whatever the number selected, you can here. Here also suppose selected February will be. So no February selected number, February selected number. Suppose like July number, July number. This is visible in the list. Based on the selection, you can go here, but only at a time one select can be selected. See here. That's all. This list will not be visible here. List will be visible upfront. That's all. Okay. Otherwise, however you want to do, you do. That's all. Okay. Then one form controls. One we have here. One more like multi extended is there. Okay. So multi means, so we can see the multi selection is there, like this. Random selection is there, but it will not work here now. Please remember, though multi selection is there here, but we cannot do here anything. Okay, which will be only whatever the selection will happen. That's all. See, this is numbers will not work. What you can do? Nothing. See here, number will not change. But how to work? We need to use a macro here. From the selection, we need to use through macro, but not in Excel. That's the reason. That's the reason. So the multi-selection extended means what? So from the selection, from this to this, from like this multi-selection. Okay. In the click mouse and drag it, you can select it, but number will not change. With this two useless at this point of time, only single selection. Others, this selection can be used provided macro coding is required. Otherwise, we cannot use this. Okay, single selection, go ahead. Otherwise, both are same. Up to you how you use. You can place it here, and based on selection, you can change the data. Here, drop down, and based on selection, it will work. Up to you. You can use it. There is no hard and fast rule. How beautifully you can present, based on that you can use it. If you ask me, suppose like one by one, instead of this is time waste now. Okay, so first you can do here like one by one selection, and you can do it. Select it, and so you can select the chart or whatever you want. Okay, like this. Anyway, up to you how can you use it. Of course, I went a little fast because this is the same, so we can explore the things. I shown a difference so that whatever the way you can, which is the best way you can use it. The difference is this is not visible unless you click. This is visible in the list. Okay. Suppose you make the small list. The scroll bar come automatically, it will come go like this. See here, like this. Okay. To be frank, if you ask me, so do suppose this list, countries list is there. Country list, which country you can see the screen itself. Go and select this. Big list is there. Instead of this, you can see this easily. You can go and click it. Okay, I make a big list also. What are the list, you can go and select it. That's all. But up to you, which is the better one. Okay, clear now? Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. So another 10 minutes will close. So one more control will see here. So what is the control here? Yeah. So this we did easy one. So we understood this. So only this is left. This is the group box. Okay. So what is the group box here? Suppose in the form controls, we use like a mini controls. Okay. Box is very also very important, but this is not a control, but all the controls can keep together one place. Suppose this this thing. Okay, so suppose like I have combo box and I have checkbox. Okay, sorry, I have the checkbox. I have the checkbox and have the option buttons and have the spin button. I place here, okay, but I need to place one place. Then we can move where we want together. So what we need to do here? This all the buttons keep in the here, okay. So place here, place here. Anyway, more like more check boxes, more option boxes like this. Okay, suppose like like this. Okay, anyway this second. So all this what I can do here. So select all this. Okay. 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 Now I selected all the controls and the group box also selected. I I select like now one by one. Okay. Okay. Then go to data and otherwise like now right click and the group. Okay, group it. Now, so what you can do here? So this is selection is very difficult. See now this is selection is very complicated actually. Now, after, see here, 1 second is not true. This is carefully try because it is not. Now see, all groups, carefully need to do it. So all the controls, like, put in the group box. You can, move wherever you want. Also, like, whatever the group box name you can keep here, whatever the name if you want. So XYZ. So you can move wherever you want. So this,
Sir,
yes.
so when we move it, what would happen to the referencing, the control
No,
references that we
no,
have given?
no,
Would
control
that?
reference, no, control reference remains the same. A particular cell it will be there, that will not move.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good question. So control reference link, we are not moving the cells. We are moving only this, controls. Controls can be
Okay, sir.
moved. Okay, this will not change.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So this is a convenient. Suppose more controls we put now. So in the dashboard you can place it somewhere you can move. So instead of like put wherever you want, put in the group box. So see, this is a problem. So this is a little tricky. So once if you go like this is a complicated thing actually. See, it will go automatically. I don't know. Again, like, it is.
I think we'll have to group it every time.
No, it is there, but
Uh,
but as try to explore things.
yeah.
Again, you need to read through or something. But it's a complicated one. But carefully you need to do it. Otherwise, you can place it manually very well. But I intention is like you group it together. Okay. So group it. Now you can see. Okay. So wherever you want, you can move this together. Okay. Okay. This is the idea of the group box. Otherwise, nothing. Okay. So this is the group box. This is all the form controls. So under 2 minutes there, we stop here. So you need to please practice this. Okay. Next session next week, I need to take one more controls from the actives controls. I'll take up one. This is label one. So I'll take up tomorrow. So it's very interesting. Okay, I'll tell you tomorrow, next week, what is there. Very, very important. Okay, so we'll see that.
Okay.
So that's all for the form controls. So now we can go back and put the chart or pivot table or formulas every based on the dashboard. You can use this controls also. You can develop it. Okay. So unless you know the formulas, this form controls, you can not use it. Okay. If conditions, index formulas, all those important. Here also, please understand what is the form control, what is the feature of it, what is the end result of it. That's all. Then we can do it accordingly. Okay, so yesterday I could not upload in the YouTube. I don't know. Maybe old recordings I need to delete. So if you want any records, please save it in your systems. I am going to delete because yesterday could not upload because of this more space issue. Okay.
Sir, don't delete it until tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me just download everything and then you can